Human beings are the only animals who have to work, and I think this is the most ridiculous thing in the world. Other animals make their living by living, but people work like crazy thinking they have to in order to stay alive. The bigger the job, the greater the challenge, the more wonderful they think it is. It would be good to give up that way of thinking and live an easy, comfortable life with plenty of free time.
Yes.
For human beings, a life of such simplicity would be possible if one worked to produce directly his daily necessities. In such a life, work is not work as people generally think of it, but simply doing what needs to be done. He does talk about how when farming was smaller and back in the day, farmers had more time. Like he said, the New Year's holiday was like 3 months, and then it kept getting shortened. And it's like now it's maybe 2 weeks or a week, where they used to have all this leisure time to just write haikus. He found some haikus on the shrine, the local shrine, I believe. And he's like, they don't have time to do this. You don't have time to just live anymore. So for the farmer and his work, serve nature and all is well. Farming used to be sacred work. When humanity fell away from this idea, modern commercial agriculture rose. When the farmer began to grow crops to make money, he forgot the real principles of agriculture. Until now, the line of thought among modern economists has been that small-scale, self-sufficient farming is wrong, that this is primitive kind of agriculture, one that should be eliminated as quickly as possible. In my opinion, if 100% of people were farming, it would be ideal. There is just a quarter acre of arable land for each person in Japan. If natural farming were practiced, a farmer would also have plenty of time for leisure and social activities. I think this is the most direct path towards making this country a happy, pleasant land.